How to log into your Xfinity account. First, let's head over to a web browser. All you need to do is, in the search bar, you need to type in Xfinity. This is the website that you want to head over to. That is www.xfinity.com. You will be redirected to the Xfinity homepage. For you to log in, all you have to do is go to the top right corner. Here you'll be able to see the sign in button. You'll be redirected to this page. Now go ahead and type in your Xfinity ID. An Xfinity ID usually ends with a Comcast.net. You should have received that when you first signed up for your Xfinity account. You can go ahead and type that in, or you can type in your email or mobile number. Once that is done, click on Let's Go. You would then have to type in your password. Finally, click on Log In. So that is how you log into your Xfinity account. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.